If you want to rewrite an article in Grammarly, you can do it quickly and easily once you know where to click. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to take a sentence or paragraph, rewrite it with Grammarly's built-in tools, and choose the best version for your writing style. This is a great way to improve clarity, shorten long sections, or make your writing sound more professional without starting over from scratch. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Grammarly Editor or open the document you want to work on. You can use this inside Grammarly directly or in a supported writing space where Grammarly is active. Once your document is open, take a moment to find the sentence or paragraph that you want to rewrite. This is important because Grammarly works best when you highlight a specific section instead of trying to rewrite an entire article all at once. Now highlight the text you want to change. You can click and drag across a sentence, a full paragraph, or even a few lines depending on what you want to improve. After you highlight the text, look for the floating Grammarly options that appear near your selection. In many cases, you'll see a rewrite button or a similar suggestion tool appear right away. Click that rewrite option to open Grammarly's rewriting suggestions. Grammarly will then generate different versions of your selected text. These suggestions are designed to help you rephrase the content while keeping the meaning intact. This is especially useful if your original wording feels too long, too repetitive, or just not polished enough. Next, choose a goal from the menu. Grammarly may give you options like improve it, shorten it, or make it professional. If you want the text to sound clearer and more readable, choose improve it. If the paragraph is too wordy, shorten it can help trim it down. And if you are writing for business, clients, or a formal audience, make it professional is a strong option. Once you pick a goal, Grammarly will show you the rewritten version or several rewritten versions to compare. Take your time and read through each option carefully. Don't just select the first result automatically. Instead, think about which version sounds best for your article and which one matches your tone. If needed, you can make small edits after choosing a rewrite so it feels more natural to you. This is one of the best ways to use Grammarly because it helps you rewrite faster without losing your original meaning. It can also give you ideas for better phrasing when you're stuck or not sure how to say something more clearly. Whether you're editing a blog post, article, report, or web content, this feature can save a lot of time. If the rewritten text still needs more refinement, you can repeat the same process on another sentence or paragraph. Just highlight the next section, click rewrite again, and choose the goal that fits best. Over time, this becomes a very fast editing workflow, especially if you're working on long-form content. And that's it. You now know how to rewrite an article in Grammarly using the highlight, rewrite, and goal selection tools. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in the quality of your writing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.